Welcome. Today, we're diving into the world of web scraping, no coding required. Imagine a bot that visits any website, reads the information you need, and delivers it straight to your spreadsheet. Whether you want to track competitors, generate leads, or research markets, web scraping can save you hours of manual work. Thanks to tools like Claude Cowork, this once programmer-only skill is now accessible to everyone. In this video, we'll explore how you can use Claude Cowork and the Apify connector to scrape data from any website, automate your workflows, and unlock powerful insights. Let's get started on this journey to smarter, faster data collection. Web scraping is the process of automatically extracting information from websites. Instead of copying and pasting data by hand, a bot does the heavy lifting for you. This means you can collect prices, names, job listings, or any other data point you need with just a few clicks. Data is everywhere on the internet, and web scraping helps you tap into this vast resource efficiently. In the past, web scraping required programming skills, but with modern tools, anyone can do it. Let's see how Claude Cowork makes this possible for everyone, regardless of technical background. Claude Cowork is a powerful tool that brings web scraping to everyone. With Cowork, you simply describe what you want in plain English, and the tool does the rest. No need to write code or worry about technical details. Cowork can handle simple web pages and extract the data you specify. For more complex sites, it can be paired with the Apify connector for advanced scraping capabilities. Whether you're a business owner, marketer, or researcher, Cowork opens up new possibilities for data-driven decision-making. With Claude Cowork, you have two main options for web scraping. First, you can use Cowork alone, which is perfect for grabbing data from simple web pages. This method is quick and easy, but it may struggle with sites that rely heavily on JavaScript. Second, you can combine Cowork with the Apify connector. This unlocks robust, scalable scraping for complex sites, thanks to Apify's specialized scrapers and advanced features. The only catch is that Apify requires monthly credits, but their free plan is usually enough for casual users. Let's break down both approaches so you can choose the best fit for your needs. Let's walk through a real-world example of web scraping with Cowork. Imagine you're a writer who publishes short posts on Substack notes, but there's no built-in way to track your stats. Cowork can help by scraping your notes, building a dataset, and running monthly analyses. The process starts by identifying your target page, in this case, the Substack archive of your published notes. Next, you define the fields you want to extract, such as date, post text, number of likes, comments, restacks, and the post link. This approach can be adapted to any website and data type you need. Before scraping, it's crucial to decide which data points matter most to you. For our Substack example, we want to extract 6 fields per note: date, post text, number of likes, hearts, number of comments, number of restacks, and the post link. By clearly defining these fields, you ensure that your data set is clean and relevant. This step is essential for any web scraping project, as it helps you focus on what's important and avoid collecting unnecessary information. Every website has quirks, and handling edge cases is what separates clean data from messy data. For example, your Substack archive might include notes you restacked from other writers, which you don't want in your dataset. By specifying that you only want notes authored by yourself and limiting the pull to a specific month, you can filter out unwanted entries. Always think about these details before running your scraper to ensure you get exactly the data you need. To use Cowork for web scraping, you'll need to enable the Claude in Chrome connector. This is a simple process. Click the plus sign, go to Connectors, and toggle on Claude in Chrome. Make sure you have the Claude extension installed and active in your browser. With this setup, Cowork can interact with websites directly through your browser, making the scraping process seamless and efficient. The key to successful scraping with Cowork is crafting a clear and specific prompt. For our Substack example, the prompt should include the author name, the month, and the exact fields to extract: date, post text, likes, comments, restacks, and post link. The more precise your instructions, the better your results. Don't worry if your first attempt isn't perfect. Cowork learns from your feedback and improves with each run. After running your first scrape, review the data Cowork collected. If something looks off, maybe a link is incorrect or a field is missing, provide clear feedback. Tell Cowork exactly what to adjust for the next run. This iterative process helps refine your scraper until it consistently delivers accurate results. Remember, even the best tools need a bit of guidance to reach perfection. Once you've fine-tuned your scraper, it's time to automate the process. Cowork offers two automation options. Turn your chat into a reusable skill, or schedule the task to run at regular intervals. Turning a chat into a skill lets you reuse your scraper for any Substack writer's URL, while scheduling automates data collection for a specific writer on a recurring basis. This means you can set it and forget it, knowing your data will always be up to date. To turn your chat into a skill, simply click the drop-down arrow in your Cowork chat and select Turn into Skill. Claude will handle the rest, saving your prompt and any adjustments you've made. Now, you can run this skill anytime for any Substack writer just by providing their link. This feature is perfect for tasks you need to repeat regularly or share with others on your team. Scheduling your scraping tasks is just as easy. Click the drop-down arrow and select Schedule, or use the Schedule command for more flexibility. The drop-down offers daily, weekly, or weekday options, while Schedule lets you set any custom recurring schedule. For example, you can have Cowork scrape your notes for the previous month on the 14th of every month. This ensures you never miss an update and always have fresh data at your fingertips. Here's a sample prompt for scheduling your scraping task. Schedule run this task monthly on the 14th. Start from author name, Frank Andrade, previous month. With this setup, Cowork will automatically scrape your notes for the previous month on the 14th of each month. You can customize the author name, and other parameters to fit your needs. This level of automation saves you time and ensures consistency in your data collection. Sometimes, Cowork alone isn't powerful enough to scrape certain websites, especially those with complex structures or heavy JavaScript. That's where the Apify connector comes in. Apify is a web scraping and automation platform with over 23,000 ready-made actors, pre-built scrapers for specific websites and data sources. By connecting Cowork to Apify, you can tackle even the toughest scraping challenges with ease. Connecting Apify to Cowork is straightforward. First, go to Apify and create a free account. Next, copy your personal API token from the Integrations section. Then, open your Claude desktop app. Navigate to Settings, Connectors, and select Apify. Click Configure and paste your API token. That's it. You're now ready to use Apify's powerful scraping capabilities directly through Cowork. This integration unlocks a whole new level of automation and data collection. Let's recap the 5 steps to connect Apify with Cowork. 1. Create a free Apify account. 2. Copy your personal API token. 3. Open the Claude desktop app. 4. Go to Settings, then Connectors, and select Apify. 5. Paste your API token and save. Once these steps are complete, you're ready to start using Apify's vast library of scrapers within Cowork. This setup is quick, secure, and opens the door to advanced web automation. One powerful use case for Apify is tracking trends on Reddit. As a content creator, knowing what your audience cares about is crucial. With Apify, you can run the Reddit scraper actor to pull the top 20 posts from any subreddit over the last 7 days. Cowork then summarizes the top 5 trending topics and explains why they matter to content creators. This process, which would normally take 10-15 minutes manually, is now done in under 2 minutes with a single prompt. Here's the prompt for scraping Reddit. Go to Apify and run the Reddit scraper actor for the subreddit r subreddit. Scrape the top 20 posts from the last 7 days. Summarize the top 5 trending topics in bullet points and explain why each matters to content creators. After running this prompt, Cowork connects to Apify, gathers the data, and delivers a structured content intelligence report. It's a fast and reliable way to stay ahead of the curve in your niche. After running the Reddit scraper, you'll receive a detailed report summarizing the top trending topics and why they're important. This report helps you identify what your audience is discussing and what content will resonate most. Instead of manually scanning Reddit, you get actionable insights in minutes, allowing you to focus on creating relevant and engaging content. Another great use case is scraping Google Maps for local businesses. Many businesses don't have websites but appear on Google Maps with phone numbers and reviews. With Apify, Cowork can scrape a specific business type in any city, filter out those with websites, and generate personalized outreach proposals for each remaining business. This workflow helps freelancers and marketers find new leads and craft targeted pitches, all in under 3 minutes. Cowork doesn't just collect data, it uses it to write personalized outreach proposals. For each business without a website, Cowork references the business by name, mentions their rating, and explains why a website would benefit them. This level of customization increases your chances of getting a response and building new client relationships. The process is fast, efficient, and can be repeated for any city or business type. After scraping and generating proposals, you'll have a batch of personalized messages ready to send. Each proposal is tailored to the specific business, referencing their unique situation and offering clear value. This approach is far more effective than generic cold emails and can be scaled to any market or industry. With Cowork and Apify, lead generation becomes a streamlined, data-driven process. Before launching an ad campaign, it's smart to see what's already working in your market. Meta's ad library is a public database of all active ads on Facebook and Instagram. With Apify, Cowork can scrape your competitors' ads, analyze call-to-action patterns, messaging strategies, and sentiment. You'll receive a full intelligence report in minutes, helping you craft more effective ads and stay ahead of the competition. To analyze ads, use this prompt. Go to Apify and run the Meta Ad Library Scraper Actor. Search for ads related to keyword competitor in country. Scrape the last 20 active ads. Analyze the results for CTA types, messaging patterns, and sentiment. Suggest 3 ad angles based on what's working for competitors. Cowork will deliver a detailed report, giving you actionable insights to refine your own advertising strategy. The intelligence report from Cowork includes a breakdown of the most common call-to-action types, recurring messaging patterns, and overall sentiment in your competitors' ads. It also suggests 3 new ad angles you can use, tailored to what's currently working in your market. This data-driven approach helps you create more effective ads and maximize your return on investment. Once you have your intelligence report, you can turn it into a skill that writes meta ads in the style of your top competitors. Or go even further. Scrape multiple profiles and build a skill that lets you write like any competitor, anytime. This level of automation and customization gives you a significant edge in digital marketing and content creation. With Cowork and Apify, you're not limited to just one use case. You can combine different scrapers, automate complex workflows, and integrate data from multiple sources. Whether you're tracking trends, generating leads, or analyzing ads, these tools make it easy to scale your operations and stay ahead in a data-driven world. The possibilities are endless, limited only by your imagination and business needs. To get the most out of web scraping, follow these best practices. Always define your data fields clearly, handle edge cases, review and refine your results, and respect website terms of service. Use automation to save time, but don't forget to monitor your workflows for accuracy. With the right approach, web scraping can become a powerful tool in your digital toolkit, unlocking insights and opportunities you never thought possible. Congratulations! You've learned how to web scrape any site using Claude Cowork and the Apify connector. No coding required. From tracking trends and generating leads to analyzing ads and automating workflows, these tools put the power of data at your fingertips. Start small. Experiment with different use cases, and soon you'll be unlocking insights that drive your business forward. Thanks for watching, and happy scraping!